Jira configurations can become corrupted or break during day-to-day operations, such as quick changes or upgrades. Integrity Check identifies and resolves errors so you can maintain a healthy Jira environment. The app is part of CMJ and is also available as a standalone. In this video, we'll review a few common issues identified through Integrity Check and demonstrate how to fix them. To begin, open Configuration Manager and choose the Integrity Check tab. The app includes 3 scopes: System, which checks your entire Jira instance; Project, which checks the integrity of one or several projects; and Snapshot, which checks the last snapshot whose creation failed due to errors. Note that Integrity Check doesn't evaluate Jira issues or work items. It focuses on configuration. In this example, I'll select System Scope and enter check marks next to each option: Filters, Agile Boards, and Dashboards. Click Run Integrity Check, and a list of violations displays, including errors and warnings. Note that errors prevent snapshots from being created. Let's review the first error: an inconsistent object. The description tells us there are invalid white space characters at the start or end of the field name. Click the link in the description. The custom issue status displays, and we see the blank spaces before the name. Remove the blanks and click Update. Now, run Integrity Check again. The inconsistent object error no longer displays. Next, let's take a look at the duplicate object error. In the description, we see the issue type test is duplicated. Click the link in the description to view one of the duplicates, and then click Issue Linking in the left-hand pane. Here, we see 2 duplicates. Click Edit in the Actions column and change the first one to Test 2. Update the link type. Now, run Integrity Check again. The next violation indicates there is a missing object, and in the description, under Locations, we see that a card layout and a Detail View field refer to a missing custom field. Here, we can use a quick fix to resolve the configuration issues with a single click. Click Remove Card Layout Reference to Field, and then confirm. Repeat these steps for the Detail View field. Run Integrity Check again. Now, on the right-hand side of the page, there's a Quick Fix button with the number of quick fixes available, 1. Click it to automatically resolve the issue. We are prompted to delete a gadget named Average Age Chart. Let's cancel out of this dialog and figure out where the chart is referenced. In the specified gadget, under the missing object violation, we see the average age chart. In this example, assume it's OK to remove the gadget, so we'll click Remove Gadget. Confirm the change and run Integrity Check again. Now we're left with 2 violations. The first missing object violation tells us our project refers to a missing user. Open the project. Under Roles, the project lead references a missing user. Click View Project Roles, and we see the name of the project lead. Click the username, and an error displays, alerting us that the specified user couldn't be found. Go back and then click Edit Defaults. In the Project Lead dropdown, select a valid user and click Update. Now, run Integrity Check again, and notice on the right-hand side of the page, we have a quick fix available. In the Missing Object field, it looks like our missing user is being referenced in a JQL statement. Click Update Broken JQL and we see the JQL statement will be updated so that it's not referring to other objects. Instead, it's using a text field, which is always valid. Click Confirm and run integrity check. There's one error left, invalid JQL. Expand the error and click the Quick Filter link. Select the Quick Filter. Here, we see there's a syntax error in the statement. The problem is the epic link field is invalid. Select epic link from the dropdown, and then update the filter to epic link equals Jupiter. Click Update. Now, when we run integrity check again, we have success. To summarize, integrity check detects errors in all Jira configuration elements. It directs you to the component that needs to be updated, and even provides quick fixes to automatically resolve certain issues.